In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a community page on Squarespace. If you're bringing people together around shared interests, events, or updates, a dedicated community page makes everything easy to find in one place. We'll keep this simple and quick, and I'll point out a few helpful considerations along the way so your page feels organized and welcoming. Start inside your Squarespace site. From the main dashboard, click Website, then click Pages. This takes you to the area that controls your site's navigation. Here, you'll see your list of pages, both what's visible to visitors and anything you're keeping as drafts. It's a helpful snapshot of how your site is structured, and it's where new pages are added. To create the page, click the plus icon to create a new page. That plus button opens Squarespace's page options, so you can choose what kind of page you want. Think of this as picking the starting layout and features that make the most sense for a community space. Now select the group event page to start off with a template, or click Add Blank to start from scratch. The group event page template gives you a head start with sections commonly used for community activity like space for announcements or gatherings, so your layout feels purposeful from the first moment. Add Blank is perfect if you want full creative control and plan to build every section yourself. There's no wrong choice here. Choose the option that matches how much structure you want at the beginning. Whichever you pick, Squarespace creates the page instantly, ready for your content and styling whenever you're ready to work on it. And there you go, that's all. You've added a community page to your site with just a few clicks. As you move forward, keep your audience in mind. Clarity beats complexity. Consider the kinds of information people will come looking for most often, like what's new, how to participate, and where to find upcoming activities, and let those ideas guide the sections you add later. Use clear headings so visitors can scan quickly and keep your design consistent with the rest of your site for a seamless experience. Whether you start from a template or a blank canvas, the goal is the same. Make it easy for people to connect, discover, and return. Thanks for watching. With this foundation in place, you're set to shape a community page that's simple to manage and genuinely useful for your visitors.